everyone, good morning. Today in this video we are going to discuss about singular and plural nouns. So do you know what do you mean by singular and what do you mean by plural? Singular. When a noun refers to one single person, animal, place or thing, it is called singular. Okay? It refers to what? Only one. Okay? Now what do you mean by plural? When a noun refers to more than one. More than one means it can be two or more than two also. So more than one person, more than one animal, more than one thing or more than what? One place. Then it is called what? Plural. Okay? More than one. So have you understood the simple meaning? So in this chapter we will be learning about singular nouns, plural nouns, also countable nouns. Last part we have to learn about countable, uncountable. Okay. First we will learn about singular and plural, then countable and uncountable. So take out page number 32. There is a funny poem about singular and plural words in English. Okay, let's start the poem. The English lesson. We will begin with a box and the plural is boxes. So you come to know that the plural of box is what? Boxes. But the plural of ox should be oxen, not oxes. The plural of ox is what? Oxen, not oxes. One foal is a goose, but two are called what? Geese. Goose, geese. Okay, yet the plural of moose should never be meese. The plural of moose, it is what? Moose only. Same. It is not meese. You may find a lone mouse or a nest full of mice. The plural of mouse is what? Mice. But the plural of house is houses, not highs. Do you know the plural of house? Yes, houses. It is not highs. Next, if the plural of man is always called man, the plural of man, M-A-N, is what? M-E-N. Why shouldn't the plural of pan be called pen? No, it is not. The plural of pan is pants. Okay, S, not P-E-N. If I spoke of my foot and showed you my feet, the plural of foot is what? Feet. When I give you a boot, would a pair be called bit? No, it is not. It is what? Boots. B-O-O-T-S, not B-E-E-T. Okay, if one is a toot and a whole set are teeth, the plural of toot is what? Teat. Why shouldn't the plural of boot be called bit? No, the plural of boot is what? Boots. If the singular is dis, T-H-I-S, and the plural is T-H-E-S-E, dis, why shouldn't the plural of kiss be kiss? Then one may be dead and three would be does. The plural of dead is what? Does. The plural of dis is what? Dis. Dead is what? Does. Yet the plural of hat should never be hose. It will be what? Hats, not hose. We speak of a brother and also of brethren. But though we say mother, we never say brethren. What? We say brother, we also say brethren, not brethren. Okay. So, plurals in English, I think you will agree, are indeed very tricky singularly. Yes, it's tricky. So, we will now do the plurals of these words. Okay. Number 8. Page number 33. Okay. A number. What will be the plural of pan? Pan will be pants. Okay. You will write in your copy. Next. The plural of boot will be boots. The plural of boot, boots. Kiss will be what? I told you, kisses. Next, 5, 6, you will do it. Okay. Now we will be discussing about the rules. Okay. To change a singular noun into its plural form. Okay. So number 1 rule is adding s. So we will change a singular noun into plural noun by adding s. Like Here there is what? One cat. Cat. A cat. So how you will change the singular noun into its plural? By adding what? S at the end. Yes. Dog. Dogs. Now adding es at the end of the singular nouns that end in ch, sh, s, double s, x. So you will add es at the end if the noun end with ch. Ch like bench. How you will change this noun into its plural form? Benches. After ch, what you will write? Es. Next, fish. How you will change? If it is ending in sh, fi, sh, es. Bus, buses. If it will end with what? S, then we will also put what? Es. Now, kiss you have already got. It will become what? If it will end with double s, ki, double s, es. Or you can also write what? Glass. How you will change? Glasses. Double s, es. Okay. And also if the verb ends with x, box, it becomes what? Boxes. So in this way you have to change the singular noun into its plural form. Now third number rule. When the noun will end with o, then you will put es, okay, at the end. Like what? Tomato. This noun ends with what? O. Yes. So how you will change into plural form? Tomatoes. Okay. Tomatoes. So the third number rule is when the noun will end with o, then you will put es to make it plural. Okay. Potato. How you will change? Potatoes. So you have added what? Es at the end. Yes. Hero. Heroes. Buffalo. Buffaloes. Have you understood? This is very easy. But this rule is not applicable in case of piano. Here, if the noun will end with o also, we will not add es. We have to add only what? S. In case of photo also. This rule is not followed in case of piano and photo. Okay. It becomes photos. We will not put es at the end to make it plural. So have you understood the rules? The three rules. So we will do now question number B. Okay. You will do question number B also in your English 2 copy. A, B both in your copy. Now write the plural of these nouns. As you have understood the rules, number 1, look, chars. So how you will change this word into its plural? It ends with what? Ch. So if the noun will end with ch, what you will add? You will put what? Es at the end. Chars, charses. Okay. Next is class. In case of class, it also ends with what? Double S. Double S, then also what? We will put es. Next, mango. If the noun will end with o, what we will add? We will add es. Mango, mangoes. Next, zero. Zero, we can add s also, es also. Both are correct. Okay, I will add here es, zeros. Okay. Torch, ch then es. Uniform, this is the first rule. Uniform, we will put directly s. Uniforms. Okay. Next, number 7. Owner, the first rule, owners. Number 8. Month, M-O-N-T-H. This is simply the first rule, M-O-N-T-H-S. Okay. So in the same way, mosquito becomes mosquitoes, O. So that is why we have added what? Es. Wish, SH, then ES. Boss, double S, then ES. Buffalo, O, then also ES. The second and the third rule is applied here. 13, 14, 15, you will do it by yourself in your English 2 copy. Now the fourth rule. So fourth rule is, if the noun will end with F or FE, what you will do? You will change the F into what? V, and you will add ES. Means it will become VES. For example, leaf ends with what? F. How you will change? You will what? Put here V, then ES. Okay? Calf. It ends with what? F. So how you will change? You will add what? VES in case of F. Okay? In case of FE also. Like knife. FE. Then also what? What you will do? You will put VES. You will remove this FE. Okay? In case of self, F, then also what? You will put what? SHELVES. Okay? But this rule is not applicable in case of proof. Proof becomes not VES. It is what? PROOOFS. So it is a bit confusing because in case of proof, then chief, dwarf, roof, hoof, gulf, this rule is not applicable. We will not put VES. We will directly put S. Chief becomes chips. Dwarf, dwarfs. Roof, roofs. Hoof, hoofs. Gulf, gulfs. Okay. So you have to remember because it is a bit confusing. So now the fifth number rule. If the noun will end with Y, then we will change the Y into what? I, then ES. So, for example, army. Army, it becomes armies. Y becomes what? I, then ES. Okay, baby. Y becomes what? I, babies. City, cities. Story. How you will change? By putting what? IES. You will remove this Y. Okay? Lady. Then also what? We will put what? IES. But this rule is not applicable if the Y is preceded by a vowel. Like here, boy. Here, Y, but it is preceded by what? O. O is a vowel. So it will be what? Boys, not IES. Toy. O is there. So before Y. So it will be toys. Okay. Here this is consonant. It is preceded by a consonant. R, T, yes, B, M. In case of monkey also. E is there. It is preceded by what? E. So it will become, means if it is preceded by a vowel, then it will become only S. Okay. Valley becomes what? VALLEYS. So have you understood the difference? It is a bit tricky because here also Y, here also, but if it is preceded by a consonant, then IES. If it is preceded by a vowel, then only S. Okay. So we will do now question number C. As you have understood the rules, 4, 5, 6 number rule. So this will be applicable here. Write a plural of these nouns. So if the noun will end with Y, what I told you, that it will become what? IES if it will be preceded by a consonant. Here N is there. So it will be what? Ponies. City, cities. It is preceded by a consonant. Joy, it is preceded by a vowel. So it will be directly S. Okay, wife, FE, then you know only VES. Do you remember the rule? You have to learn the rules. It is given in your book. You have to look that one, then only you can do it. Country, consonant, countries. TR, Y, then what becomes? Y becomes I, then ES. Lady, Y becomes I, then ES. Valley, it is preceded by a vowel. So it will become directly what? Y doesn't become IES. It will be S. Cuff, F then, you know only, L-V-E-S. F here also same, H-A-L-V-E-S. Diary, Y, and it is preceded by a consonant, so it will become what? Diaries, I-E-S. Loaf, F then, L-O-A-V-E-S. Fairy, F-A-I-R-I-E-S. So have you understood how you will change? The 6 rules you have to remember to do this exercises. So I have done till 12th number, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. You have to do it by yourself. You have to do C number also in your copy. So today till here. In the next class, we'll be doing about some other singular and plural nouns and also about countable and uncountable nouns. Okay. And if you have any doubt regarding this, you can ask me. Please ask me if you have any doubt related to this. Okay. Thank you.